What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can find your nearby people on Snapchat. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to open up your Snapchat app just like this. After opening this, you have to click on your profile. After clicking on your profile, you have to scroll a little bit and you have to open the Snap Map here just like this. You have to open up your Snap Map. Then here is the tricky part, you have to click on the settings option in the top right corner. Then you have to click on allow to access the location. After that you have to click on this settings again. Then you have to turn this ghost mode off. If this is on, people can find you on Snapchat of nearby people around you. After that you can see here is a bunch of options, 3 options. You can select this one, my friend. Then you have to turn it off also. Hide my live location, you have to turn it off. After turning it off, you have to go back. Then you can see here is the people around me. So after turning this off, you can see this is it. You can see their profile and you can see their snaps. So this is how you can find your nearby people on a Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.